Okay, so why we have to explain why square root of 5 is not a rational number, which means that you cannot write the square root of 5 as a fraction of integers like a over b, where a and b are integers. Okay, so here's why. Let's look at the solution to the equation x squared equals 5. We know that, one, the solution is the square root of 5. So the solution to this equation is the square root of 5, right? Now let's also show that the solution to this equation cannot be written as a fraction of integers. So if we can show that, then we're going to prove that the square root of 5 can't be written as a fraction of integers, because the solution to this equation is the square root of 5. And if we can also prove that the solution to this cannot be a fraction of integers, then we've proven that the square root of 5 cannot be a fraction of integers. So let's look at the explanation again. If you try to put in a fraction of integers to solve this, you're going to have to square that fraction to try to get 5. Then you're going to get a perfect square over a perfect square. But remember, a perfect square can't be twice as big as another one, can't be 3 times as big as another one. It also can't be 5 times as big as another one, for the same reason we've been seeing. Because the prime factorization of a perfect square is symmetric. It's got, if it has a 5 on this side of the prime factorization, it has a 5 on this side. For instance, 64 is 8 times 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So every 2 over here has a partner over here. Every 2 over here has a partner over here. Every 2 over here has a partner over here. If you multiply this by 5, it's just going to have a single 5. That can't be a perfect square because there's not a matching 5 on the other side. So you can't have a perfect square that's 5 times larger than another one. And so if you try to put a fraction of integers in for this, there's no way that that could end up equaling 5. So there we go. We know the solution is the square root of 5. And we also know that the solution cannot be a fraction of integers. So we can conclude that the square root of 5 must not be able to be written as a fraction of integers, aka the square root of 5 is not rational.